I'm in a weird mood right now. I'm like chilled, but like annoying. It's because I'm sitting down and I'm drinking coffee at the exact same time. But anyways, apparently it's back to school season. We all know how you feel about going back to school because I'm just so nice and like thoughtful. I want this video to be enjoyable. So we got candles. We got relax, because relax, it'll be fine. School will be over in a blink of an eye. And we have stress relief to relieve your stress. So which one do you want today? Oh my god, relax smells like really good. Okay, we're doing relax. So now every time you hear me say the word school, just look at the candle. Okay, now we can get into the makeup. I like to prime my skin first. I already moisturized using the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This is basically the water cream, but more hydrating. I recently got this because my skin loves to be flaky for some reason. She feel it. Like an onion. TMI. So we moisturized. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more on my nose just to take extra precaution. No onions today. Oh my god, did you use my beauty blender? I just washed it. Very rude. After I moisturize, I like to use primer. I have 2 primers right here. So on the days I have a lot of pores, which is every day, because it's summer and I'm oily, but my nose is crusty and peely. It's funny that like I think I'm funny. I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier primer today. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And now for the Too Faced Photo Finish Primer. This is just gonna go in my T-zone. Not a lot, just like this much. And especially right here, because this is where I put highlight. Like I want it to be smooth since the highlight is gonna emphasize this area right here. Just kidding, I lied. I'm gonna take a little bit more. And at the very tips of my eyebrows. Okay, primer is done. Now it's time for brows. This makeup look literally will take me 20 minutes max. But since I'm like always rushing, I could literally do this entire thing in like 10 minutes. Also, I kind of want to know how long it takes you to get ready in the morning. Comment below. My eyebrows take me the longest because I really have to like focus on the shape. But then some days I'm just like, nope, don't need brows today. Use the e.l.f. medium brown eyeliner slash pomade and this ColourPop E14 brush. I like this brush. I like this brush because the tip is really thin. Brush out the brows. Also, excuse the fact that it's like hella hairy. I'm growing them out, sorry. Okay, I finished my brows off camera. They were taking so long, like, and they're still not exactly even, so I give up. But now moving on to the face, I'm just gonna be using concealer. This is the Too Faced Bonus With Concealer in the color Golden Beige. It's gonna act as my foundation. Depending on how bad my under eye circles are due to the lack of sleep, I will go in with a lighter concealer. I'm gonna use the same exact concealer but in the color Light Beige. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit under my eyes, maybe my chin. And it kind of gives like a nice highlighted look under there. Setting with Laura Mercier. Also, I just realized that I'm using so many high-end products, but like this is genuinely what I use every single day. So let me know if y'all want me to do the same thing but using my favorite drugstore products instead. Also, this beauty blender is still pretty wet. I like to just kind of blend it in and then whatever's left, put it on my eyelids. Bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Kylie Pressed Bronze Powder in the color Almond. Also, my brush is broken. Now with a little contour brush. Hey. Simba. Hi. Come here. Hi. Say hi, lovely buddy. Say hi. With a tiny contour brush, I'm going to use this shade right here. She's almost gone. I'm not really feeling blush today. Yeah, I'm not gonna do blush. Nose contour. Vital step. I keep looking at myself. And then I just lightly wipe away that light powder. And now it's time to spray the face. I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Wait, do I shake it? Ah, I love setting spray. While this dries down, I'm gonna highlight with the Kylie Quartz Pressed Illuminating Powder. I just bought this one, but this is what it looks like. But I also have this Jeffree Star Supreme Frost Snow Globe. I think I want to try the Kylie one today. Sorry, Jeffree. I'm gonna be using the JS4 brush that I used in my last video. A stranger picked this brush set out for me. Go watch that video. I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on mascara. I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I was obsessed with this. And then I stopped using it. Oh wait, I didn't even curl my lashes. Like I was saying, I was obsessed with this. And then I stopped using it because I started using the Benefit Bang mascara since I got sent it. Randomly, I needed a waterproof mascara, so I just ran to Target and picked up the waterproof version of this one because I knew that this was always my favorite drugstore. And then I fell in love with it because it kept my eyelashes up the whole day. And I was in water, like submerged underwater.
That's what waterproof is.
Well, yeah, but like it kept my lashes up, like it didn't. Okay, stop. Also, I love the fact that I have like a hole right there because my eyelash extensions ripped out my eyelashes. Q-tip. The last step, I use lip gloss. My favorite lip gloss ever is this right here. It's the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the color Fussy. This color smells so good and it literally instantly makes my lips look 10 times better. Like not crusty anymore. Just watch. Look at that lip compared to my upper lip. Technically, this is the finished look, but you could always wear lashes. I usually do that with this makeup as a base and I just use nice lashes. But of course, for school, you don't have to wear lashes. You don't have to wear any makeup at all, honestly. But whatever makes you happy, then just do that. I would wear lashes right now for this video, but like I'm low-key lazy. So this is the finished look. So freaking much. I also want to do a back to school giveaway, so comment down below some of your back to school essentials and just like things you would want to see in the giveaway. Also, I'm hella excited because I'm gonna be moving soon and my new place is so cute. You guys are gonna love the inside, just the content that I'm gonna get. Mwah! Bye.